Hi, have you ever started doing a painting and you really just can't see the vein structure on the leaves? Well, I've got a little tip that I've shown in one of my books, but it's always nice to share it again. And it's to do with tracing or doing a sort of rubbing of the leaf. So some leaves, you find that you've got a really nice strong pattern on the underneath of the leaf, but you can't necessarily see the pattern of the veins on the top of the leaf. So one of the things I do is I get a bit of tracing paper, I get the leaf, turn it upside down, and with a 2B, or you could even use a heavier pencil, you can just do a little pencil rubbing of the underneath of the leaf. If I just do this side, you'll be able to see. You can press quite hard if it's a dry leaf like this one. If it's a very soft leaf, make sure you haven't got anything sensitive underneath. Maybe put a bit of kitchen towel or something. Some leaves are a little bit too delicate to use this technique for. But if it's strong enough, then you can actually get a lovely rubbing which will show you the pattern of the veins. And then when you're painting the leaf, you can actually get the veins in the right arrangement. I find it really, really useful, especially when you've got a leaf that maybe isn't in a photograph that you can't necessarily see all the detail. And this way you've got a live leaf that just gives you a lovely view of it. And it's somehow easier to see it when it's traced off onto the tracing paper than it is on the live flower, on the live leaf, because that's got all of the colour and the sort of not texture, but all of the detail that's getting in the way, whereas this is just a lovely clean pattern of the veining.